Are there other ways to make money online as an affiliate without using Clickbank? Absolutely. In fact, I'm going to give you my top 5 alternatives to Clickbank right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and on today's episode, I am going to share with you the top 5 alternatives to Clickbank that I am currently using today. Now, before I begin, I have to do a quick disclaimer. Okay, listen, I love Clickbank. In fact, I've made multiple 7 figures or 6 figures or so using Clickbank and still promote products that are hosted on Clickbank every once in a while in our business. But when I search on YouTube for ideas to teach affiliate marketing, I'm finding that almost everyone is talking about Clickbank and they're not talking about anything else. And that can be a bit of a problem. First, if everybody is only using Clickbank, then you're going to end up promoting the same exact product as everybody else, which leads to saturation. So while your marketing may be great, your audience may be tired of hearing about the same product, right? Secondly, smart affiliate marketers diversify, meaning they don't put all their eggs in one basket, right? It makes absolutely no sense. That way, if anything were to happen to Clickbank or to the product that you find on Clickbank, you'll have a handful of other products and other programs and other networks that you can continue to promote and earn money from without having your entire business just completely shut down. So let's get started with talking about some of the alternatives. Number 1, JVZoo. JVZoo is a lot like Clickbank in that the way it's structured, but it features a lot of products that are specifically for online entrepreneurs and digital marketers. So there's a number of software programs that you can promote through that platform. One cool feature about JVZoo is that they frequently run contests with their affiliates. So not only can you make a lot of money just promoting the products, you can also have the opportunity to make some like prize money, right? You can win prizes like cars, cash, and a ton of different things when you win some of the affiliate launches on there. So it's definitely a good alternative. Number 2, Market Health. This is one that's specifically for those who are interested in health and fitness, right? The health and fitness niche. If you check out Clickbank's website under health, fitness, and beauty, you'll find there's dozens of products, but Market Health has dozens of products and specializes in this field. So you can be sure that the offers that are created and put on Market Health, right, are created by actual professionals and not people just throwing courses together or throwing some supplement things together and saying, here, promote it, right? So this is obviously good for people that are looking for, for offers to promote in that niche. Number 3, ClickFunnels. Now, when I tell people about ClickFunnels as an alternative to Clickbank, they usually say, doesn't ClickFunnels just sell one product? And while it's true that they have one of the best funnel builder products in the world, in fact, I use it myself, there's actually a ton of products that you can promote as an affiliate for ClickFunnels, which is why I included them on this list. From books to, training programs to additional software. Once you become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, you have access to a suite of products that you can promote. And again, that's what's important. Number 4 is Digistore24. Okay, the name may sound a little bit weird, but Digistore is quickly becoming one of the biggest competitors to Clickbank. In fact, I've even recently seen entrepreneurs take their products off of Clickbank to primarily sell them through Digistore. Now, I'll be honest, as I go through the Digistore website, I don't see too many differences between Digistore and Clickbank, even if their website is a little more outdated. So the smart thing to do is to create an account with both of them and constantly check out the new products section to see what's popular and what's happening on each one of these networks. And number 5 is our own Partner with Anthony program. Okay, I know I cheated a little bit on this one because, I truly believe that I have a network that can compete with some of the best affiliate networks out there, specifically when it comes to digital marketing. Over the past, 15 years or so, I've created close to a dozen digital courses and software programs, and I've only recently, in the last 2 years or so, opened the doors to give my students access to promote all of my products, just like any affiliate network, and earn commissions on all the sales. So what's the main takeaway from this video? Well, basically, it's that there are a ton of affiliate networks out there, not just Clickbank. And I truly believe you should sign up for as many as you can and carefully go through the products to see which ones make the most sense for you to promote. If you do that, you'll be much better off as an affiliate because you won't be reliant on just one program or one niche or even just one network. So I hope that you're able to take this right? And understand that diversifying your business is smart for long-term success. When I first got started as an affiliate, I had one account with one network. Literally, that was it. And it just, we had some of the biggest disasters because when that network would go down, all of my money would stop. Like I would instantly stop making money because that network was down, right? Sometimes specific networks don't get all the offers, right? So at the time, I was promoting credit cards online, and I only had an account with this one place. But this one place, like, they didn't get all the credit card offers. So since I had built the relationship with the one place, right, when these other networks were getting different credit card offers, I wasn't able to access them, which meant I couldn't promote them, which meant less learning opportunity and earning opportunity for me, right? Definitely not a situation you want to be in. I always suggest to sign up for every single affiliate network you find and start going through it, seeing what they have to offer, seeing what their payouts are. And honestly, I always look at the payouts and I kind of compare them from network to network, because the way affiliate marketing works is it's downstream, meaning there's the company up here, and this company, okay, they want a customer, and they go to affiliate network A and they say, I'll pay you $100 to get us a customer. And you know what affiliate network A does? They're usually called the agency of record. Like, they're the main one, right? They work with the actual product creator, all right? But then what they do is they take it and they farm it out to all the other affiliate networks, right? Well, if this one is paying them $100, then stands to reason they're going to have to pay all these other affiliate networks less than $100, which means they're going to pay you less, right? And so ultimately what happens is when you get an offer from an affiliate network, it might have been brokered out 4 times before it got to you, which means 4 spots where they're taking money off the table that honestly could be put in your pocket. So you sign up for all the affiliate networks and you always ask for payout increases, right? Always ask for payout increases so that you can see just how high up, what is the threshold, how much money can you get paid, because it makes absolutely no sense to get paid $30 per conversion if you can get paid $50 per conversion. And sometimes it's as simple as just asking, right? Just simply asking for a payout increase. So super, super important to be involved with and part of multiple affiliate networks. Now, our Partner with Anthony program works a little bit differently in that you really only have to promote one product. You promote Partner with Anthony, right? And inside of that product, we promote all of our other products. And of course, you get the commissions when those are sold. So 2 different theories here. One is you go to affiliate network and you get all their products and you have to go do individual marketing for each one. Or you can use our Partner with Anthony program, promote just one thing, and inside of that one thing, we'll do the selling of all the other products for you and you still get the commission. That's why we call it Partner with Anthony, right? If you want more information on Partner with Anthony program, there's a link right below this video. You can click it and you can check it out. But the Partner with Anthony program aims to kind of to blend affiliate marketing in a way so that you're still able to earn multiple commissions by promoting multiple products, right? But the only effort you have to put in is to promote one single thing. We do the rest for you. Whereas in all these other affiliate networks, obviously, if you want to profit from all of the different, products in their network, you've got to promote each one of them individually. That can be time consuming. It can also be difficult, right? Just face the facts, especially if you're brand new. It's difficult to focus on promoting 15 different things. But yet at the same time, it's very hard to be super profitable if you're only promoting one thing. Partner with Anthony fixes that problem. You can promote one thing, but still earn commissions off of all these other things, right? And that's the reason why we built it. So if you've got some questions or you want to learn more about that, there's a link right below this video. You can click it and check out the Partner with Anthony program. But ultimately, what I want to make sure that you're aware of is that there are alternatives to Clickbank, and that it is intelligent to make sure that you are looking at all of those alternatives and a part of all of those alternatives. Because, hey, look, at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're in the best position for long-term sustainable success. And hey, we don't know how long any of these companies will be in business, but what we do know is that affiliate marketing's been around for, 15, 20 years now. It's probably not going anywhere. So as an affiliate, if you sign up for a lot of different networks and you really plug into those networks, you'll have more earning potential, and ultimately you'll have safeguarded your business for the future. So hopefully you loved this training. Hopefully you got something out of this. If you did, leave me some comments below. Look, please click that subscribe button right now. Okay, and turn on notifications. I want to let you know each and every week when I pump out content and training just like this about affiliate marketing, because I truly believe these short little segments can make huge differences in the success that you can have online. So please click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, leave me some comments below, let me know what you think about this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.